We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, since the price we get here, we mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And this is what we get because we have been looking for buy. All right. And even mentioned we don't want to see the breakout of this level. If we want to look for buy, exactly the price drop to what we expected, then we see the reversal. And the only way to look for buy to put our entry above here. And even either put our entry above here. But this is what we discussed in my last analysis, because whenever we see the correction drop, we can put our entry above the top. Anyway, we have been looking for buy. This is what we get, and the price broke the first target, following by second target, and more than that. Right now, for those traders, they want to keep the trade, move their stop loss to break even or book some profit, or if the traders want to take out the trade and the profit is good for them. Anyway, we move to daily chart. We mentioned in our last analysis, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. This is what we get. Right now, we want to see whether we can look for continuation or not, because we need to see the breakout of this correction, and this is the targets we're looking for based on daily chart. And within the target, within this correction, the first target we can look for is this one. And we need to see the breakout of this stuff. But the target as a long term we're looking for is as a first hand 0.006, followed by 0.007. All right. And but based on daily chart, we don't see any trade setup yet. And even based on forward chart, we have to wait. If we get any trade, if we want to look for buy, we have to wait for the next flag of correction. Simply, we cannot take the trade because we have seen many times the price reverse as a sharp move. Then we see the start to drop, right? That's why if you want to look for the next trade, we have to wait for the flag of correction before we take the trade. And at this point, we don't have any trade set up. And the only thing is for those traders, they get the trade, they should know whether they want to take with the trade in the profit or they want to keep the trade. As I mentioned, if they want to keep the trade, move their stop loss to break even or book some profit. All right. Anyway, if we want to look for the next trade, we have to wait for the flag of correction before we take the next trade. At this point, I don't see any trade setup to look for. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.